Avant Loan Comparison Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Avant and other recommended loan tools are in the description. Avant is an online lending platform specializing in personal loans for borrowers with fair to average credit. It offers loan amounts ranging from $2,000 to $35,000, with repayment terms between 12 and 60 months. Avant's key selling point is accessibility. Unlike many lenders that require strong credit scores, Avant provides options for those with less than perfect credit. The application process is straightforward, with pre-qualification available in minutes and funds typically deposited within one business day after approval. Avant is commonly used for debt consolidation, emergency expenses, home improvements, and other personal financial needs. One of Avant's biggest strengths is its flexibility in serving borrowers who might struggle to get approved elsewhere. The platform also provides a simple and transparent online experience with fixed monthly payments and no prepayment penalties. Another advantage is the quick funding time, making it a solid choice for those in need of urgent cash. However, there are some downsides. Avant's interest rates tend to be higher than those of traditional banks, especially for borrowers with lower credit scores. The platform also charges an administration fee of up to 9.99%, which is deducted from the loan amount. Additionally, Avant's loans are not available in all states, so some borrowers may not qualify based on location. Avant is best suited for individuals with fair to average credit who need a fast and accessible loan solution. It's particularly useful for those looking to consolidate high-interest debt or cover unexpected expenses without the strict credit requirements of traditional lenders. However, borrowers with strong credit might find lower rates elsewhere, and those wanting to avoid origination fees should compare alternatives. Overall, Avant is a reliable option for borrowers who prioritize speed, accessibility, and a straightforward borrowing process. If you're considering Avant, check out the links in the description for more details.